We have a 2000 Tailift FG25C. Tailift is now owned by Toyota Forklifts. This forklift has a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity, runs on propane fuel, has the popular Nissan H20 engine, one of the more reliable engines in forklifts. Same engine found in a lot of older Nissan forklifts. Has an automatic transmission, cushioned tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. Still plenty of rubber on the tires. Has a 3-stage mast, 84-inch collapse height, that's 7 feet. Forks the lift to 192 inches. That's 16 feet, good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long standard forks and a load backrest attachment. The mast has tilt function forward and back. It also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. It has functional headlights. It's been fully serviced and is ready to work.